So basically, ooh, okay, first of all, I saw it from the back. From the back. So girl, this is gonna keep you tight. Also helps you with your posture. You know, it helps you to make sure that your muscles are intact because it pulled everything in here, girl.
Cause it's different and we're not the same. There's many things have to change. I got no trouble with my pride. Got trouble cutting ties. I don't wanna be your ex.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here on this channel, I tend to cater to the curvy women of the world. I teach them fashion, lifestyle, and beauty tips. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. But this video is another shapewear video. Thank you so much to SHAPELLX for sending me this piece. And let's get into it. This is going to be quick, down, and dirty, okay? So right now, I'm dressed in my house clothes per se. I have on some boy shorts and I have on just a regular tank top, right? This shapewear piece is for people who are looking to waist train and are working from home or working in the office or something that you can wear every day, right? So right now I work from home and I need a waist trainer so I can suck all of this good stuff in. So this is me not flexing, regular. I do have a little bit of fupa, you can see it, blah 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 blah, right? So with waist training, you have to wear your waist trainer for I think 8 hours. You start off with like 2, 4, 6, and then 8 hours total. That's what you're supposed to do every day, and then it keeps your waist small and your fupa intact. And it also, like, I don't know if it activates these muscles, but you know, it gets it together, okay? So this is what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna show you the item that I got, and I'm gonna put it right here, the item that SHAPELLX sent me. And I got this piece in a size large, okay? So basically, ooh, okay, first of all, I saw it from the back. So right here is like a silk type boning. First of all, what's standing out to me is this is curved. Do y'all see that? It's not a straight up and down. This thing is curved already, okay? So it has boning, and then also it has clasp in the front to like seal the deal. Okay, and it has 3 rows. So y'all remember I taught you all that it's good to have the different rows so you don't have to keep buying shapewear. So once you're the biggest, you'll start here, but once you start losing weight, you get smaller and smaller. And when you get here, if it's too big, then you can go down the size, right? So you're getting your bang for your buck. Another thing is, this is what it looks like. So it's 3 layers, okay? This is the top part, go underneath your bra. This is the bottom piece. It, you know, sucks in your fupa, and then this is the overlapping and it gets your waist, okay? So I did my research, okay? It's been years, but I used to follow this girl on Snapchat, and she used to waist train, like her waist Snatch. And what she used to do is wear one of the like cheap Forever 21 tank tops underneath her waist trainer so she doesn't get the, you know, the marks or the boning sticking to her. So we're gonna try that today, and I'm gonna do this over top of mine, if that makes sense. So let's see. Oh, okay, hold on, girl. Yeah, this is spandex, honey. Let me see. I'm gonna try to do it on the largest. Wait, I'm gonna do it on the smallest. Y'all can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna do this first, and I'm in a size large, okay? My waist is 38. I think, no, my fupa is 38. Well, my fupa is 38. So this midsection right here, my fupa is a 38, okay? And I'm wearing a size large in this video, okay? So you do the bottom, and then we're gonna do the top. Let's see. Ooh. I love this spandex because it's easy to pull, but girl, this is gonna keep you tight. Hold on. Put it underneath your boobs, so this will help your chest as well gain some muscles. And then when I get this middle one, oh yeah, girl, I feel it already. Hold on, I feel it already. Okay, so as you can see, we are snatched. I'm pulling it down a little bit, so I'm pulling it down here over top of my fupa to make sure it's getting in that area, and then I'm gonna pull this middle piece okay, over top of it, right? Still the deal. And then I'm gonna peel this. Hold on. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna pull this down a little bit. Okay, we pull that down. And then I'm gonna pull this top piece together. Right. I'm pulling the top piece so these two can touch each other. Y'all see that? Okay. To make sure we're getting it together. And then this is just to seal the deal, to make sure you're not going anywhere. Okay. So yeah. Oh, hold on. Honestly, I love how this is making me feel. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Let's see before and after. Already I feel more secure. I don't know, when I wear shapewear, it just makes me feel like I'm intact and secure. So I'm really loving it, and I feel like I can still move in this, but my waist is gonna be snatched. It's a different type of waist trainer. We're used to the ones that have the boning going here, here, and here, but this one, I love this aspect of having one that you can completely cover your fupa if you pull it down as far as you need it and pull it up as far as you need it. You know what I'm saying? And then the middle one seals the deal. So this is super good. It's super, super good. I would get my regular size first, so that's why I ordered a size large, and then you can move down smaller. So yeah, do your research with waist training. I don't know, I heard that it works, and I'm gonna try it in this year. Especially, I'm glad that SHAPELLX sent me this piece. I'm gonna put it up here, so I'm gonna see what my results are. I'm gonna try to wear it every day for 8 hours. That's what it says, beginner wear for 8 hours. So we're gonna see if I could wear this the whole work day. And it also helps you with your posture. You know, it helps you to make sure that your muscles are intact, because it pulled everything in here, girl. And it gives you a better support. You know, your posture is good. And also, if you have a larger chest, you need to make sure that you are, you know, working those muscles. So this is good. This is good. But yeah, you can waist train at home, put your shirt underneath this, and you can go out, do what you got to do. So this is a great piece. I'm gonna make sure to leave the links down below, and also don't forget to use my discount code. It's down below as well. And yeah, let me know if you have ever waist trained, or you think about waist training, if you're gonna try it. But yeah, this is gonna be my test to see, and I really love it. I really love it, and I feel super snatched. I look super snatched as well. But make sure you take this tip of putting a spaghetti strap t-shirt or tank top underneath your waist trainer to make sure you don't get those hip dips or any, like, you know, those marks that they used to leave. And we're not doing that in 2022. So this is a good alternative if you're working from home, if you're working in the office, if you're working at a store, anywhere. It's good and discreet, and it's going to make sure that you're like intact. So I thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, turn that thing gray, and hit that bell next to it so you don't miss any of my videos. Make sure you're following the girl on Instagram at xoChloeElise. And until next time, peace and hair grease. And don't forget to hit that bell and turn on y'all notifications, because you know you don't want to miss the tea that we're spilling. So I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye bye bye.
Well, it's so good.